What's up, traders? Welcome back to my screen. It's Zionfx here. So today we are going to anticipate what is going to happen on gold this week, just like the way we did last week, and we were able to bank the market back to back. So we are going to do the same this week. And currently, I am on gold chart and currently on the 1 hour time frame. So before then, I want us to see the dollar index, which is the DSY. So first, what I do whenever I come before my chart, now currently we are on DSY chart, currently on the 1 hour time frame. But before then, I want to see the market from the overall time frame. I love seeing the market just like the way the big banks, the hedge fund, the big guys see the market. So I want to head up toward the daily time frame. Done, good. So on the daily time frame, you see that the DSY, which is the dollar index, is going to the downside, meaning it's a downtrend. Hereby, you're only going to look for a sell opportunity. Yeah, it's going on the downtrend, tanking, bleeding to the downside. So if you take your trend line just like this, you can see very well that this thing is going all the way to the downside. So now let's go back to our what? Gold chart. Now, on the gold chart, you can see gold is just flying to the upside. You can take your trend line. You see gold is flying to the upside. So we want to get opportunity to make money following the trend. One thing you should know, always respect the trend. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. Now, since we've gotten the direction of the market, since we know our bias of the market as an uptrend market, thereafter, we want to spot our dynamic supply and demand. Personally, I always want my strategy look very simple, that even a 12 years old child trying to come into the space of trading should be able to acclimatize my strategy and learn my strategy very fast. So, like I said, we want to spot our supply and demand, which is our dynamic supply and demand, which is also our major demand and supply level, which is also support and resistance, if you may call it any one of them. So now let me remove this trend, and now you can see my chart very neat and clean. Yeah, very neat and clean. So we are only going to work with the current supply and demand level, which is necessarily, we are not going to just try and make our chart look very rough. So we want to work with the current supply and demand level. So if you see very well, gold has a level here. Nice. Gold has a very nice level here. Good. So before we continue, you can see that gold has been ranging within this level. That means gold has been ranging within this level. Although gold was an uptrend market, gold was also trapped within this what? Support and resistance what? Level. Until we have this final break, which is last week, Friday. We had the final breakout last week, Friday. So we want to get an opportunity to make money from those markets this week. So like I said, we want to spot our dynamic supply and demand levels. Yeah, good. So I think this is okay for us. Maybe if you can look, this is a valid word level. You can see if we take it to the left-hand side, always look at the left-hand side and see where the market has reacted, like pullbacks in the market, like pullbacks, like Fibonacci retracement and the rest. Yeah. So you want to see all that. Like I said, I always make my things look simple. We have another level here. Sorry. Let's go back. Okay. We have another level here. Since we already know that DSY is tanking to the downside, and you can see gold is just bleeding and falling, and flying to the upside. So personally, I want to see something, and personally, I'm still looking for more of buys on gold. Yeah, I'm looking for more of buys on gold. Reason being that Gold has been ranging for a very long time. You can see this is very, very strong. Strong range before we have the final breakout. So personally, and you can see the daily candle, which is last week Friday candle, closed above the which is Thursday candle. This is the last week. You can see the Friday, and this is Thursday candle, 12th of September, and this is 13th of September. So you can see it closed above the Thursday what candle. And also, I saw a psychological level here. Yeah, so a psychological level here. Nice. If you may ask, most of you want to what is psychological level? They are own numbers. Yeah, they are own numbers that market, like the big guys have placed their orders within those levels. I'm not yet to really go deep on that. The big guys have automatically placed their levels within those what psychological levels. Yeah. So now I want to head up to the 4-hour time frame. Since we know our what biases, the uptrend market. Nice. So you can see, like I said, gold is an uptrend market. If they take your trend line from here, you can see very well that gold is just flying all the way to the upside. Flying all the way to the upside. Now, good. So since I'm a day trader, I want to get opportunity to want to buy in the market. So personally, I want to wait for the market to come over to this level here. Personally, then I want to see a push to the upside more. And like I always say, I always want to see the opposite side of it, personally. Personally, I want to see the opposite side of it. So now, if you take your trend line to all the way from here, you see that there are possibilities of gold coming here. You see, possibilities of gold coming here, then the nice push to the what? Upside. The nice push to the upside. Because I always want to see the market from the overall trend. You can see the market creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, but a higher low have not yet been formed. That's one thing you should know. That's one thing you should understand. A higher low have not yet been formed in this market. So, like I said, gold has been trapped for a very, very long time. So, personally, I want to wait for gold to come all the way to this level here. All the way to this level here. Possibly break and come here, then the nice push, a lower high will be created, and the nice push, a higher high will be created. So now you can see gold is now currently on the all-time high, which it created the all-time high last week Friday. So I want to begin to bring the market to the lower time frame. This is called top-down analysis. Very, very simple analogy of trading. Sometimes your mentors make things complicated for you. Honestly, with all sense of respect, they make things complicated for you. For over the years that I've been trading, this is what I've been using to trade, and this is what I'll be able to teach my students, and they will be able to replicate results just like the way I do, respectfully speaking. So now, I want to see gold coming to this level. I want to see gold coming to this level and see a kind of maybe Fibonacci retracement or maybe Fibonacci pullback. Then I can get an entry within this level. But one thing you should know, patience is the key. Make sure you wait for your setup to play out. The reason I'm waiting for gold to come to this level for a proper retest, because gold has not yet retest this level. So there are possibility of gold just flying. But personally, I always want to wait for my setup, and I will want gold to come to this level here, which is this level that has been resisting it for a very long time before the word breakout. So I want to wait for gold to come to that level, then get an opportunity to buy the market. That is just, it's very simple. I can just shift all the way to the well, you can see already gold is trying to pull back to the downside. Gold is trying to pull back to the downside. So I want to shift to the 15 minutes time frame. You can see gold is like tired of going to the upside. So like I said, I want to wait for gold to come here. I want to wait for gold to come here for the proper retest. Then I want to get opportunity to what? Buy the market. That is just my view on gold for this week, because gold is still an uptrend. The trend is your friend. Always follow the gold rule. Always follow the gold rule. If you take your trend line like this, yeah, you find out that gold is tanking to the upside. So never you break the rule of the trend. So like I said, I will be waiting for gold to come here, and I'm giving my reasons. My reason is that first, gold was trapped within this level for a very long time, within this range for a very, very long time. You can see this is a very strong range that took place for a very long time. You can see we are on the 1 hour time frame for a very long time. So personally, I want to wait for gold to come and retest that level and give us an opportunity to buy the market. That is that for next week. God bless you. All right.